In my video guide, I'll give you instructions that will help you to remove the fake human verification alerts related to the site ventbox.com. This site, ventbox.com, is absolutely faulty and deceptive. Now it attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make people click on allow, supposedly to help users confirm that they are humans and not robots. But to click on allow is extremely dangerous. This will hijack the browser with multiple advertisements that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. If you click on allow, that's a mistake. To fix it, access the menu, settings, choose privacy and security, then site settings, go down to permissions and choose notifications. Pay careful attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. Remove this malicious site and other junk sites from the list. In order to make sure that the system is free of other threats, I recommend that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.